Baba, Alabai, Soldier, Killer, ACE, Bunday. You know what I'm saying? Always down with Gambian Talents Promotion, holding it down with the whole entire team. Kuboka Sigetigi, Nancy Melmi, by Kenmo Mutekabi.
Assalamu alaikum Gambia, assalamu alaikum aduna comme nu ko faral di defee rek indi leen li nga xam ne moom ngeen bugg a seetal li nga xam ne mu ngi xew si dëkk bi right now ñu ngi nii si Department of Health foofu si kootu ñëw teewee li nga xam ne mooy ñii di pharmacie city pharmacie den génn ñoom it donate ñi nga xam ne ñooy Ministry of Health COVID-19 GS mooy jàngoro boobu bi nga xam ne mooy limbe réew mi mooy yëngal aduna moo tiital béppi doomi aadama bagages yi nag yaa ngi ni yi la city pharmacie donate Ministry of Health pour gaay dimbale pour defandikoo li su ko defee ñu mun a xeex jàngoro boobu mu ñoo ooyee COVID-19 si kanam xam naa gaay dina war a joxe official statement su ko defee ñu indi leen yëpp si kanam tamit ba tey dinañ dem Banjul indi leen daily briefing bi si li nga xam ne mooy COVID-19 from the Ministry of Health dinañ si am ministre bi or directeur bi ñu jox ñu as of today lan mooy seen latest update.
The Director of National Pharmaceutical Services, Mr. Babanding Sabali, who also doubles as the chairperson of the Logistics and Safety Committee of the National Health and Emergency Committee. As you know, anytime we have donations, we have supplies, he's the one who manages with his team. So we are happy that City Pharmacy this time also joined the list of donors and partners in boosting our efforts with regards to COVID-19. And as you know, COVID-19 is a disease that goes beyond the health sector. So we can only tackle it, we can fight it, we can also prevent it, and we can respond through intra and intersectoral collaboration and as well as private sector involvement. We are happy today to have a sector by the name City Pharmacy. We have our colleague Jaffa and his team and his colleague Serif who have come together to donate to the Ministry of Health on behalf of their company, City Pharmacy, as part of their contribution the fight on COVID-19. I also want to recognize our colleagues from the National Pharmaceutical Services. They are all here today, flank the director to receive this item on behalf of the Honorable Minister of Health, Honorable Ahmed Lamin Samate. Without wasting much time, I want to give the mic to Jaffa to give a brief statement and also to tell us the rationale behind their involvement, their participation, their collaboration as part of the efforts to fight COVID-19 in the Gambia. Mr. Jaffa, welcome.
Good afternoon to all my fellow Gambian brothers and sisters. As we all know, the coronavirus is one of the most talk of the town now, disease. And unluckily, Gambia is one of the countries suffering from the virus. So as a private sector, we City Pharmacy have decided to hand over some pharmaceutical products with some cosmetics in order to help the government to outcome this deadly disease. Inshallah, we hope that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will guide and protect all Gambians to outcome this deadly disease. And I would like to give a big thank to the Ministry of Health for their hard working and their support in order to outcome this virus. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jaffa. Now I want you now to give the box to Mr. Sabali. Now we witness the handing over. As I said, partnership and collaboration are the only strategies we can use to tackle COVID-19, and this is what has been demonstrated here. So we give him a round of applause for that. Thank you. I now allow Mr. Babanin Sabali, who is also the Logistics and Safety Chairperson, on behalf of the Minister of Health, to give a statement.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Good afternoon, Director of Health Promotion, the representative from City Pharmacy, the media, colleagues from Minister of Health. Once again, we are happy to be here to express our delight to be associated with this very important handing over ceremony. As alluded to by the Director of Health Promotion, what is happening all over, we all aware of it, and that's the scourge of the COVID-19. And one institution, one nation cannot fight it alone. We need everybody's involvement collectively to fight this menace. On behalf of the Honorable Minister, Dr. Ahmad Lamin Samate, the entire senior management team of Minister of Health, and on my own behalf, we thank City Pharmacy. We said we are very much delighted for this gift, and we want to assure you that the gift will be put into good use. As we always said, whatever has been delivered to us, that the Minister of Health will ensure that we take proper inventory of them and will ensure that they are distributed and reach the target population. We want to say that the items donated today are very useful items, and they will go a long way in helping the Gambian populace in our fight against the COVID-19. The items donated today are basically analgesic. There are also antibiotics involved. We also have the infectious prevention control material as well. So all these put together are good material to help us fight COVID-19. On that note, we once again thank you profoundly for this gesture. May Allah bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sabali. That was a very brilliant statement, showing and appreciating the efforts of City Pharmacy. And we do hope other private sector partners will also follow suit. We want the collaboration of each and every one of you, individuals, family members. We also want private sector involvement. Together we can do it when we work together. And we also want to thank the media for coming and for showing the world what we are doing in the health sector. Thank you all for coming, and then we say goodbye and see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ali Baba, Alabai, Soldier, Killer, ACE, Bundy. You know what I'm saying? Always down with Gambian talents.